Welcome to our Jeju Island adventure. As our journey begins, we soar above the clouds, leaving behind the bustling cityscapes of the mainland. Touchdown in Jeju, and the transformation is immediate. The urban sprawl gives way to rolling hills and verdant forests, a landscape that seems almost untouched by time. Jeju is not just an island, it is a living canvas painted with lush greenery, winding roads, and the towering presence of Halasan Mountain in the backdrop. The roads here invite you to explore, to lose yourself in the serene beauty of this island paradise. Whether it is the gentle sway of the trees or the winding paths that seem to go on forever, Jeju's landscape is both calming and invigorating, a perfect start to any adventure. Now we step into a piece of Jeju's rich cultural tapestry. This traditional pavilion, or jeongja, stands gracefully amidst the lush greenery, a testament to Korea's architectural elegance that harmonizes perfectly with the natural surroundings. Perched on a gentle hill, the pavilion offers panoramic views that stretch across the island's fertile plains, with the ocean shimmering in the distance. It is a place where you can feel the island's deep connection to its history and the land itself. As you walk towards the pavilion, the path is lined with the whispers of the past, inviting you to pause and take in the serenity that Jeju so generously offers. Jeju Island is a heaven for nature lovers, and its numerous forest paths offer a serene escape into the heart of its natural beauty. As we walk through these shaded trails, surrounded by towering trees and dense foliage, it is easy to feel a deep connection with the island's wild side. The paths wind through tranquil forests, each turn revealing a new vista. Whether it is a quiet clearing, a hidden pathway, or a sudden breathtaking view of the ocean just beyond the trees. These trails are perfect for slowing down, taking a breath, and truly immersing yourself in the peaceful rhythms of Jeju. Here, every step is a reminder that nature's wonders are best experienced up close and unhurried. One of Jeju's most captivating features is its endless stretches of green rolling hills and vast open fields that seem to go on forever. These serene landscapes are a common sight throughout the island, offering a soothing balm for the eyes and a deep sense of tranquility for the soul. Whether it is the lush meadows at the base of the island's many oryams or the carefully tended fields that dot the countryside, Jeju's greenery is a reminder of the island's rich natural heritage. These open spaces invite you to pause, breathe in the fresh air, and let the calmness of nature wash over you. It is in these quiet moments, surrounded by the gentle sway of the grass and the distant call of birds, that Jeju reveals its true essence, a place where time slows down and the beauty of the natural world takes center stage. As we journey along Jeju's rugged coastline, the sight of towering windmills comes into view. These modern giants stand tall against the backdrop of the sea, their blades turning slowly in the wind. Scattered across the island, these wind turbines are not only a testament to Jeju's commitment to sustainable energy, but also a unique feature that adds to the island's natural charm. They seem to blend effortlessly with the landscape, enhancing the beauty of the coastal views. As you explore the island, you will encounter these windmills at various spots, each one serving as a gentle reminder of how nature and technology can coexist in harmony. Their presence, along with the sound of the waves crashing against the shore, creates a tranquil yet dynamic scene. one that perfectly encapsulates the balance Jeju Island offers between serenity and energy. Driving through Jeju Island is an experience in itself, where the journey becomes just as enjoyable as the destination. The roads here are lined with lush greenery, winding through forests and open fields, offering stunning views at every turn. Whether you are cruising along the coastline or navigating the island's interior, Jeju's roads invite you to relax and soak in the natural beauty that surrounds you. Each drive is a chance to discover something new, making the simple act of driving feel like an adventure. The beauty of Jeju Island is truly unmatched when it comes to its coastal views. Here, the deep blue of the ocean meets the rugged coastline, creating a scene that is both tranquil and awe-inspiring. Whether viewed from a traditional pavilion, a winding coastal road, or a quiet lookout spot, the sea seems to stretch endlessly, inviting you to pause and soak in its vastness. The gentle waves lapping against the shore, the distant islands dotting the horizon, and the vibrant greenery framing these views all come together to paint a picture of serene perfection. It is in moments like these that Jeju's natural beauty truly shines, offering a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. One of the best ways to experience Jeju's coastal beauty is by taking a stroll along its scenic pathways. This particular path offers a perfect blend of natural splendor and tranquility, with every step accompanied by the refreshing sea breeze and the soothing sound of waves gently hitting the shore. As you walk along, the path reveals stunning views of the deep blue ocean, distant islands, and rugged cliffs. The carefully crafted wooden walkway meanders through lush greenery, occasionally offering spots to sit and simply take in the view. It is more than just a walk, it is an invitation to connect with Jeju's serene atmosphere, to feel the island's calm energy. Whether you are here for a morning jog, a leisurely walk, or simply to unwind, this path is a beautiful reminder of Jeju's unique charm. As we continue our journey through Jeju, the island's geological wonders come into view. These remarkable mountain walls with their distinct layers tell a story millions of years in the making. Each layer is a chapter shaped by volcanic activity and the relentless forces of nature, creating this natural masterpiece. The intricate patterns and the way they harmonize with the surrounding landscape make this spot truly special. As you walk along the path, the combination of these unique rock formations and the expansive view of the ocean creates a scene that feels both timeless and captivating. It is a reminder of the Jeju's volcanic origins and the raw, untamed beauty that defines this island. This is not just a view, it is a glimpse into the Earth's history beautifully preserved in the cliffs of Jeju. And with that, we come to the end of our unforgettable journey through Jeju Island, a place where nature's beauty and tranquility meet in perfect harmony. From the stunning coastal views to the serene green landscape and the rich cultural heritage, Jeju offers a slice of paradise that lingers long after you leave. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a deep connection with nature, Jeju has something special for everyone. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Until next time, may your travels be filled with wonder and discovery. Goodbye from Jeju Island.